So you have set up a Portals account and you want to start selling 3D prints, but how do you market it? The number one way we say is making 10 videos. And here I am going to tell you the script that you use for every one of those videos so that you can copy us. And at the end, there will be a demonstration video so that you can copy it completely, copy it, and then post those videos around. And this will help you get organic sales and traffic. All right, the first way of doing this video, the general one-sentence summary of it all is demonstrate the product, say why it's important, what problem it solves, and then say who you are so that people have an emotional attachment to you. That is the script. Let me break that down a little bit more for you. In the first 10 seconds, demonstrate the item. This is showing how it moves, what it does, moving it around, whatever it is. Try to have an item that is demonstrable, but if you have a flower vase, show that vase having water poured into it so people instantly know what it is. This is the first 5 to 10 seconds. Demonstrate the item. You are not talking. If you do talk, you say one thing. This is the whatever. You name it, you say what it is so that people latch onto it. And then, once you complete that demo, then you can cut into a close-up explaining it. What is the problem that it solves? Why is it useful? You will say, oh, this is a flower vase. Most vases I've seen before are really gross looking, so I've designed some really beautiful ones. And I've used 3D printing in order to design them with complex geometries that you can never find at a store. You've just established the problem. Now the person is on board with why that beautiful vase they saw at the beginning of the video is here now and exists. They have a reason for knowing that it exists, but that's still functional. Now you go for the emotional connection. You say, hey, I'm Jerry. I've been designing these vases for the last 2 years. I'm a college kid and I'm working on extra income, so I thought I would design these vases and put them up on Portals so that people can get a hold of them themselves and take part in my designs, because I've worked on this for a long time and I really love how they finally turned out to where I feel good sharing it with the world. And that is your video. You have just made an ad. Congratulations. Now do that 10 more times, changing out shots, changing out wording, and just getting used to the practice, because you have just done your elevator pitch. You demonstrated the item. That piques people's interest in the first 5 to 10 seconds. You then explain what the item does and how it's solved, what problems it solves, and you explain that problem out. Then you explain who you are and why you're the person who solved this problem so that people have a connection with you because we're talking to humans. And that is how you make a demo video. And now let's show you ours for this simple little gadget.
This is a Hilbert Curve marble run, and it's one of the most satisfying little fidget toys that you can possibly have at your desk. I have been making these for a little bit, and I'm trying to get them out there as kind of a side hustle outside of my day job. My name is Gabe, but I love making these things because it's something that I think everybody should have at one of their desks just to kind of relax whenever they're having an issue. Because look at that. It's just like a Zen garden.